This time on building terminology, hanging beam. The hanging beam, which is commonly called a hanger, is a beam that spans between any walls or partitions from which the ceiling joists are supported by means of cleats, dogs, joist hangers, or straps to prevent any deflection. So if I zoom in here on a hanging beam, you can see it's been packed up on the wall plate, so it sits at the same height as the top of the ceiling joists. It's been strapped so it doesn't want to roll off either, and then you connect the actual ceiling joist to the hanging beam with, normally nowadays you would use triple grips, or you can get actual connectors that are designed just to nail to the hanger and then to the ceiling joist.
If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Facebook.